Global NCAP or New Car Assessment Program crash tested 3 new cars sold in India: the Hyundai Creta and i20 and the Toyota Urban Cruiser. The Creta scored 3 stars on a scale of 5 for adult protection, similar to Kia Seltos, its sister car. The i20 scored 3 stars as well. Meanwhile, the Urban Cruiser fared better with 4 stars, similar to its sister car, Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza. The crash safety of the 2 Hyundai cars was much lower than similar cars made by Tata Motors and Mahindra. In fact, David Ward, the president of Global NCAP, said that Hyundai and Toyota were playing catch-up behind the best in safe cars for India. Regarding the Creta, Global NCAP said that it was surprised at the lack of 3-point seat belts for all seating positions and the lack of electronic stability control in such a new model. A similar issue was highlighted with the Urban Cruiser as well. For the i20, the testing agency said that it showed an unstable structure and a risk of the airbag not fully protecting the driver's head and chest. For comparison, here are the safety ratings achieved by some of the newer cars sold in India. To be sure, all cars sold in India comply with the safety standards set by the Indian government. The tests conducted by NCAP is under much stricter conditions and are not mandated by the law. Global NCAP is part of a UK-based not-for-profit called Towards Zero Foundation, which has started a campaign for safer cars in India. The Global NCAP agency tests cars across markets in the world. The front offset collision that you see in these videos is at a speed of 64 km an hour, which is faster than what is required to pass the safety tests under Indian law. But NCAP argues that its tests are more realistic and the need of the hour, especially considering that India records some of the highest road fatalities in the world. From later this year, global NCAP test standards are going to get even stricter to reach the level of European standards. How will Indian cars perform in these tests? Only time will tell.